Alright, hello everyone, this is Michael. I just want to make a quick video here about some of the trade setups that we go over in our CFRN live trading room. The first one I'm going to show you here is a sandbox setup. This is on the ES 2100 tick chart. We took this trade this morning, and what we were looking for was a blue MA1 sloping up, a blue cycle, not overbought, and a blue DMT. Alright, price pulled away from it, pulled back into it. Right here, you can see the MA1 was at 38.37, so you round that up to the nearest tick, which is 38.50. I put an MIT order on, which is market if touched, at 38.50. Price hit 38.50 and entered me at 38.75. I put a 2-point bracket around 38.75. I'm putting my target right up here and my stop down here. A couple of quick things to notice about this is after entry there was nothing in between me and the target, and there were 3 things in between me and my stop. Alright, so that's something you should notice about every trade that you take. What's in between you and the target and what's in between you and the stop. Alright, we had the MA1, we had the BBC, and we had a weekly trading zone in between me and the stop. That trade worked out perfectly. Okay, that was the morning trade that I took on the ES. Now this over here is the Russell 2000. It's a 4-tick range chart. What I look for on this chart is for price to get up above everything. To go long, I want to see a strong slope on the MA1, blue bars, a pullback to it, and an entry. I didn't see this one, so I didn't take it. But I use 6 ticks risk, and I like to have the pivot, the prior swing pivot, be at least 6 ticks away before I take one of these trades. This one here, you can't really tell, but it was 8 ticks away. I didn't take this trade, but you can see it worked out fine. But that's all there is to the Russell trade. All right, you want to have a strong slope on the MA1. You want the bars to be blue and pull back. If the bars turn white at any time while you're in the trade, you want to look for an exit. If they turn white before you enter the trade, you want to take your order off. Okay. The white bars generally indicate turning points. Alright, they generally precede turning points. So that is all there is for the Russell trade. Now, over here on the YM, I'll show you the YM. We didn't have any trades this morning on the YM, but let me scroll back to yesterday. We probably had something yesterday. Okay, right over here, yesterday we had a trade on the YM. What I was looking for here was a bearish cross right here. Alright. And I think I took this trade yesterday. We had a bearish cross and a pullback to the BBC. Right here, the green line is the BBC. After we pull back to the BBC, I was looking for a down close. You can see we got that right there. That red bar. It's a little tiny one, but it was a down close. I entered right there with, I think, 7 ticks of risk, and I was looking for it to get down here. Okay. Now, on this particular trade yesterday, I did take this trade. I remember it well now. After I got 10 ticks of profit in it, I had moved my stop up to break even plus 1 tick. It came back right here and got me at break even plus 1 tick, and then it went down to my profit target. Alright, but in this particular case on the YM, what you're looking for is a pullback to the BBC, a down close, and room to run. Alright, again, the same type of thing, room to run. The cycle in this case was red and headed down. It was oversold, but the market was indicating that it was going to go down from there. That's what I was looking at. Alright, I'm going to stop this video now with those 3 trade setups on as soon as I can. There. Alright guys, I believe I stopped the video.